Welcome to another extraordinary episode of A Seat at the Bar here at the Chill Spot Dancehall Hostel, where we interview, sip and chat to your favorite entertainer. I'm your host, Shelly-Ann, so let's toast, because today you're in for a treat, so don't leave your seat. Suko. Ladies, we have heard your requests and we have granted them. My guest for today, him not short on nothing. Him have a piece of bass in him voice there. Him is a gentleman, trust me. The voice, yeah, sweet like Chardonnay. And guess what? He promises to party like it's your birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me to welcome Dear Major. Also, our guest mixologist from the Big Bad Hit series, the Bartender, Five. Sir Major, welcome to A Seat at the Bar.
Pleasure is
Thanks
ours,
for being
man.
here.
Oh gosh, man, the pleasure is ours.
So let's get down to the business. So D, I want to know, me know the audience want to know, to viewers and subscribers want to know, why major and not minor? And in that same breath, I want you to tell me how you got started in music.
Yeah, Shelly, so why major? Guess what going on now? Let me be truthful. I used to sing in a group called QT. You know, upon leaving the group, I didn't need a name, a stage name. Now, I search everywhere, I watch TV, I read signs when I drive and everything, and can't come up with a name. So I work with my first and middle name. DM and God, I can keep it real, right? See it, you laugh, that never was. Yeah, that never a tongue. You see what I said? So, I still a search for a name. So one day I do a band rehearsal, because I have a show, you know, on the North Coast side there. And the band members were discussing amongst themselves the key for one song. And one of them said, yeah man, a D major this. I said, what? First name a Damien, D major.
Yeah,
you know?
that's about boss.
And the standard, yeah man, and it's easy to remember and it related to music just like myself. You know me, I said, so I said, I hate that. D major, the name. Easy to remember everything. And the standard major, you know me, I said, yes.
So, tell me, I mean, as I said earlier, in the same breath, tell me how you got started into music.
I got started, the passion was always there, as far as I can remember. Now it's mid-high school, me discover some really have a voice. When my brethren them tell me, say, you can sing in a youth. And if my brethren them in a high school tell you that,
yeah,
you can really sing,
yes.
You can do something. Now, a 50 DJ there, see it? Beat on decks. The culture there, 50
yes.
DJ there, I had one singer. So every lunchtime when that I could go on and call me. I come for the singer rope in, and anytime I just be nice.
Singer mash out the place.
So yeah, that is where I start getting the confidence and start really, you know, step out there now, we form a group in high school.
Yeah.
You know, we started singing. This is where I learned to harmonize as well. Me and one of the singers them I can tell you say, oh, I started at 5 years old, you know, started in the church and thing. And, you know, I said, I'm in the church, I'm dip on the choir, but hear this, I'm me in the last row, just talking, no joke. So up to them time, I still never, cause I don't know what it always reserve. You know, I say, so up to them time, that shall I kill you or not, I still never know for sure, say, or even understand what I used to play my mother R&B collection and mimic it.
Wow.
So I think that is how I start training my voice.
Wow.
You know, I say, yeah, my mother used to have a whole heap of R&B songs. You know, I say, in our collection, I used to play them and mimic what I hear. She'd have a very salmon thing, I couldn't touch though. Yeah, man.
You know, the parents them always have that special thing where you know you can't
if
touch.
you touch our very salmon thing, the pot cover and figure reach out.
Here there.
Yeah, man. Straight. Big up Mummy Major.
Big up Mummy Major. Sex
yeah, man. Every time. Yeah.
With the kind of music that you do, is considered you being a singa?
Singer first.
Okay.
Singa sometimes.
Alright. What are the challenges that you faced?
Challenges. Well, it is a tough business overall, but you know, sometimes it's hard to find a producer that understands you. Music is chemistry, you know, so to find producers that can really produce you and guide you as a singer, it is not easy. You know what I say? If you're singing on key, you know, sing sharp, you know, sing flat, to direct your melodies them the right place and just get everything right. That probably was one of the most challenging things, but over the years and over the time, me learned that myself. You know, I develop my ear to a certain level where me can produce like even myself and others. You know, I find myself in studio helping out people with the right correct notes and everything, with harmonizing and things, because I'm a passion and I love it. So I'm not gonna hear you sing flat and just love you. So you know what I say? Yeah.
Alright, so you say, you know, you help others with.
Yeah man.
You don't face a challenge where that part is gone, because you know some artists, they believe them on top of everything,
no,
so
man,
them know why you tell them say they must sing in a Jackie you've never faced any challenge like that.
No man, you see, me in a zone when I create. You know, when creating music, I go in a zone, the creative process me last. Sometimes me sit down and listen to my song them and really say, what are you going on there? Yeah? Because sometimes the song them so detailed too. You know what I say? So it's amazing, man. It is mystical, like Bob Marley say. So you go in a creative zone where you just start formulating a song. Me in a relationship already, and a woman say, ooh, that's your right, boy. Alright, cause this I don't mean this. No joke, and it's so, cause it's so detailed. So it's like it's mystical. It's mystical, me I tell you. You know what I say? So I have a set of brethren to where close knit where iron sharp iron them say. Okay. So I have a big people like Christopher Martin, Romain Virgo,
that's what's up.
Busy Signal. You know what I say? When I create, everybody, there's no egos first and foremost.
Right.
Everybody can take telling, you know, and the name them I call it, you know it already.
Yes.
So you have to there, you know, upon your A game. So it's a blessing. You know what I say? We work with producers like, you know, Robert Livingston, Donovan, Jeremy. You know what I say? Triton himself. You know, the list goes on, I start calling him, I'm not going to remember everybody, but we try to align ourselves, yeah man, with people who really know and care, and check for the craft itself, and value it.
Yeah.
You know what I
and
say?
that's the important part,
Major.
persons who care.
Never mind a major, you see.
So Major, you mentioned earlier that you were part of a group called QT. Why, and viewers and subscribers would want to know, why do you think there are no more groups around? And why would they prefer a solo career?
The group thing is it can be difficult, you know, for many reasons. Financially, you know, I say probably you and a member can't agree. Whenever disagreement, you know, I say it's just a strain. You know, I say for 4 people reach one place the same time. You know, I say it's difficult. You know, for a promoter, for book 4 tickets, 4 rooms and everything, you know, so it can be many reasons. So it's easier for a solo artist, you know, so probably members feel like, alright, you know, I have a solo, you see that happening a lot, you know what I say. And sometimes it's the era, you know what I say, if you check the history, you know, even overseas, you have the history, you have the Temptations, you know, you have the Stylistics in a film era, you know what I say, then you have the Boys to Men, New Edition them. Then you forward earlier now, NSYNC and Backstreet Boys. So it take a time, but one thing it always forward full circle. So who knows, 2023 might be the year emerging groups again.
What a thingy? We would love to see some of that. Alright, so
yes.
Music chose you. Wait. Music chose you. If you had the choice to be in another profession, what would it be?
Tough, cause I want to tell you, great question. Because I did in high school, I did undecided. When the group start get busy and we start doing shows and, you know, doing it professionally, but it's still undecided. Did I do the sciences?
That's one like
Did I
Dr.
do the
Behavior.
sciences? Yeah, man. No, man, that's serious about her thing, man. She not spend her money on school fee for this thing. So, one thing, I have to balance the side of the thing. So, I do the sciences and I go in a direction. I won't tell you, say, medicine was going to be my passion, or I would definitely pursue that, but I still can't tell you for sure. Music grab me away.
More music,
Yeah.
pull you one side and
man.
say, yes, I stay. Alright, that's how it go.
Yeah.
Do you feel cheated, or do you feel like you have gotten your fair share in the music business?
Whoa! Great question again, Shells. Alright, watch out. Personally, I feel like I'm just getting started in terms of my wisdom, my knowledge of the whole thing now. You know what I say? And now I feel like I have so much more to offer. You know what I say? I see the brand, the name, the image are spreading, the territories are enlarging. You know what I say? So that this is the most encouraging, I think, you know, period, even now after Corona, you know, for the image. So I feel like I have so much more to offer right now. We're recording some music with some people, and I can't mention everything right now. However, you will know as soon as, you know what I say, that's a promise. But yeah, we just really are tapping now. You know, the Almighty is amazing to man. It is crazy. It blows my mind because I just feel now like say, see if you know Major.
Time now.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Tell us, Major, your most, what you would say, embarrassing, I wouldn't say embarrassing moment. What I'm going to ask you two ways. I'm going to ask you, tell us your most memorable moment performing outside of Jamaica, and you're going to tell me your most embarrassing moment.
First time I go probably to Africa, specifically probably Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I pass through, we can't say I come, pass through.
Yeah. Not knowing what to expect, not expecting anything, because this is the real serious distant land and see this now. You know, so we are going to go try, you know, view the culture and everything and just perform. But upon performing, the welcome, first of all, as you step out of the airport, it's a bag of media and, you know, fanfare, you know, motorcade to the hotel and next group of fans again I meet at the hotel. It's just a different level of love. And since then, you know, those fans have grown with you and multiplied. You know what I say, them loyal. You know what I say, so this is what the music is about. This is what I personally do music, you know, for have people supporting the movement like that on that level there. And I do the concert, Shelly, and as you open your mouth, them gone with the song like a them.
Wow, I didn't
like a you pay if you go see them perform. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And remember, there's a language barrier as well. There's a distance barrier and there's a language barrier.
Yes.
So how mystical is this? You know what I say? It's crazy, man. It's something you can't get used to.
And you see, then again, day and time with social media and me.
No.
And
but before it wasn't even so, you know, prevalent or so.
Right.
You know, now it's even worse. But it blow. You see, my last words, it blow your mind, man.
Wow.
How the music can transcend distance.
Wow.
Transcend language barriers. You know me, I say, alright, watch you now. I'm gonna show you music powerful. Probably the biggest song right now in the world, or you know, in Jamaica, are the Burna Boy song. Nobody don't know what I say.
Burna, which one?
Nobody don't know what the brother has said, but are the biggest song. Power music, man.
Yes.
Mystical, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, it is. So we've gotten your memorable moments. Your most embarrassing moment.
Wow. Most embarrassing.
If any. Yet.
No, you know, I don't forget no lyrics and a song. I know that. I think it probably was with the group. But while I was singing in the group, with the performer, I was fully loaded. Them time they are Fort Clarence.
Oh God.
Now the timing, you see, them things are crucial, you know. Any young artists I watch, listen. The time when you go up on stage, don't play no hero. The time when you go up on stage, yeah man, hold your lane. Work when you feel work. However, it wasn't our fault, it was the organizers at the time. You know, things go all over the place sometime and you end up work later than you're supposed to work. So we work late. We fully loaded at Fort Clarence. Up on stage, I never know buckle vibes or nothing. But people must say, yeah man.
Time now.
Next time, and you start build up, but
yeah, you hear the clap.
never fight it. No, you can't fight. That's something there.
No.
Cut. So we cut. I don't want to tell you, so the next morning we leave for Antigua, you know. This was the group's first overseas performance. And we leave Antigua, we got Antigua and at the cricket ground. Big reception. So that bill we back.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Beautiful.
Properly bill we back. Big up Sharon Burke.
That's
She booked that. Yeah man, bill we right back. Yeah man.
Nice.
Hey, our name called Alan Regular.
Yeah man, just believe me, man.
So, here is your challenge moment.
Challenge.
In my hand I have 5 cards, and you're gonna choose 2. After you choose the 2, then I tell you what you're going to do. Don't turn them over, don't you know?
I wonder if I get nervous.
No man. But no, the producer now put nothing hard for you, though. You can 2 from one place.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Look on them.
So, no, not yet. Not yet. Alright, so I forgot to my phone for that one here. No, this is the instructions. The card in your right hand, you should sing like an authentic reggae one drop.
So intense.
The card in the left, say the lyrics of the first verse like a telephone convo, like you're in the movie Shutters. My producer win. Yeah.
Don't set me up. Don't set me up.
So we're starting with the right hand.
So check them.
Yes,
Right.
sir. And you gotta
right
tell
hand.
us what's on it.
Vibes. So I have to sing it like
Authentic reggae one drop.
we are the vibes. Yeah, big up anything to right here.
The coach that we don't want now.
No, let's set me up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. These are some serious vibes.
No, your song.
Alright, give me.
Alright, Mr.
Nah,
Manager,
keep
let
it
us
going.
go.
Keep it going. Yeah. So what upon it? Our vibes upon it, right? Yeah. So I have to sing like this is the reggae remix.
One drop.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Seat in the bar. You have the vibes. You have the vibes. You have the vibes and thing. Yeah. You have the vibes. You have the vibes. Seat at the bar and thing. Yeah. We are never in a them car.
Hey! Pull up.
Alright, let's go back. Pull up. Alright.
In the left. You want me to read the instructions again?
Alright, we'll set me up, but me have to pick up the producer. Producer, you're shot. You're shot with this.
1 verse.
This never do yet.
Like a telephone convo. Like you're in the movie
Give me the phone or the phone there.
Shutters.
Phone after there, you use it.
We selling it.
So this is that's what love's about. See?
Wait. Alright, this
Quiet, because it's serious right now. Quiet.
Let me take a seat.
Quiet. We're listening.
So guess who's back? Number woman. At least she once was. Well, me and my baby always having problem. But somehow we seem to work it out. But this time, she gone too far, big.
Alright,
But audience members, one thing. Like Shutters.
Yeah. I feel like it's a bartender audition that they come out.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, Jizam.
Earn your spot.
Sure. There we go.
Yeah,
But we're not
fine.
done yet. We don't finish. Because guess what? We're going to the hot part of a seat at the bar.
Which is?
Listen to me. We don't need to listen to this part.
No
Where is-
surprises though.
Only for surprises. My producer, no, to my producer. Hot.
Producer
Yeah,
shot.
man. This is called the triple F. Who do you flirt with? Who do you fight? And who do you forget? But don't say a word yet. Come on, I have to show you. Audience and viewers and subscribers, on the door move, we'll soon come back here. Because this not normal.
We never mean for doing it in no bubbles.
Welcome back.
Alright, safe travels and see you soon.
Okay, babe, see you soon.
Give him this.
We have to find those who know his whereabouts and apply some pressure to them.
Yes, Miss Goody? Woody baby. Where you calling for? Bring me picnic come now, you know.
Oh, we change your mind.
You and Frodo can come kiss me.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, my audience members. We wanna say, what is
Set me up.
problem now?
Then
now.
set me up.
All right, so I'm gonna invite my producer, Miss Goody Plum, and she's gonna show you 3 pictures. You have to tell us who you're gonna flirt
Fight.
with, who you're gonna fight with, and who you're gonna forget. And you have to tell each picture you see, you have to call the name.
Alright. Until who I get what I want. Yo, producer, you're wicked. Alright, go on, go on, go on. Jaja, no, how you do me this? Fight, flirt, forget.
Yes, sir.
Who this? Who this again? Who the last one?
So let me tell you the name.
really sure.
this? You have Maka Diamond, Auntie Donna,
Crazy, never
and the lady herself,
Oh my god.
Queen.
We're not gonna use it.
Queenie.
No, female not so bad. Female not so bad. Easy pickings that man.
No,
You.
Yeah, man.
first of all,
I anything me pick
I
him up.
can't fight no woman.
Okay.
No, I can't. No.
No, the fight got me a cuss enough.
Yes.
Cuss. And nobody can say a man.
Alright, so fight, will be an argument?
Yeah.
man.
Heated discussion.
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Me a carry car, wrong or right?
Yes.
I got to.
Who that you put there now?
Queenie.
All right.
She am like that.
That's one out of the way.
Verbally,
That's one out of the way. So who you're going to flirt with?
That
Who are you going to flirt with?
Who want the flirt first? That one the easy.
No, I want to
Not
forget
pressure
first.
me worse, man.
Let
Alright,
the
what I
flirt
do?
last.
So forget our flirt. Chacha no. What I go forget?
The bad Maka auntie that I left. That one the easy.
No, man, oh gosh, man, I can't repeat them that. I'm here send the image. Yeah. I know someone go viral and I see it at the bar. Alright. I'm gonna flirt with. My goodness.
Say it, man.
Say it.
Watch her look.
Yeah,
I flirt with Maka.
I say, everybody problem.
Same. Maka look good now enough, so.
Yes, Maka tell us.
Yeah.
Until then, I'm not forget you, you know.
Major, I
Nah,
put
forget
you
your
pretty though. I
however.
put you pretty though.
Oh, God.
Now we are pretty now.
Oh God, no make me cry, no make me cry.
I know.
there you have it. Sir Major is going to fight the queen.
Verbally.
Verbally, you say.
Which queen you want then?
No, that Jesus, no. He is going to forget, and him say him not forget, Auntie Dana, and him gonna flirt with Maka.
Macalotion.
I cannot.
Check the phone and ring it.
Yeah.
All right. So, thank you for giving us your honest
Definitely.
choices. Ladies, gentlemen, viewers, subscribers.
Always.
You know, some mega talk to my mixologist because she over here so go with her bad things. But
Crocus.
guess what? She's no ordinary mixologist.
About it.
You understand? She is from the big bad new hit series, The Bartender. I don't know, so we'll come back the 30th of October. We will premiere the 16th of October. Yeah. So we'll go over to the lady herself where smell up the things them.
Yes.
And she can smell from afar.
Yeah.
And she can smell, yeah? 5.
I wonder if we have a scene or a feature in the upcoming Bartender.
Don't worry yourself, you're going to talk to the director. Because you have a look at acting thing of one right there.
Bad me and bad up the TV.
5. How are you? Thank you for being at a seat at the bar.
Well, I don't like the seat at the bar because I stand up.
So 5, tell us, how did you get involved with the Bartender?
Same food thing. They have rehearsals, and you know I'm always 5 minutes away. I was 5 minutes away, and Sasha was running a joke saying that 5 o'clock when I get another food and whatever, we're reaching, I say, oh, it smells like when I'm something in here I cook. So when I put on at the same time, Stacy started joking and saying, no, so can make us skip about that, and you know, the professor himself, while we were just there idling, him hold up him phone, record we doing foolishness, and then I'm in the bartender.
Boom bam.
Yeah, come see the name, Russell.
How is it though, working with, I mean, the different actors and, I mean, just...
And the different man when them give me, I never want to give me one house. Yeah man, it was really nice. You're a director, so it's like how I have my apartment now, come and get promotion, and you know, I have box down again, I'm not happy to, you know. If you see this, Miss Prendergast, I am really and truly sorry. So you know, I'll be back in work shortly. But yes, it's been great, you know, working with my mother.
I wouldn't.
And you know yourself, so it's been truly amazing and the different experience, and it helped me grow not just on the set but individual as a person.
Aww,
Yes, it does.
that's what's up. Viewers and subscribers, wanna hear the girl? 5, wanna hear what she going? Yeah. But here what? We want to get back to the meat of the matter. So we'll go back to the Major himself. Tell us, Major, for the young artists who are singers, what advice would you give to them coming into the music business?
Yeah. First and foremost, make sure, ensure so you truly love it. You love the music.
Repeat that.
Yeah man, ensure you love the music.
Yeah.
It's not the hype and the glamour and the glitter part. You love the music. That way you will spend time to perfect your craft. You know what I say? When the disappointment then come, when the door them shut, which is certain, when the door them shut by you, you won't give up, you will keep going. And at the end of it all, you will have a beautiful story, you know what I say? With your persistence and your sharp craft. Ensure say you love it. That's all I want to drive home to the younger artists.
Man, and I hope them understand that the first phrase, the way you say, make sure you love it.
Let me tell you, if you don't love it, you gotta take a shortcut or something. You're not gonna have no life in the music industry, you know what I say? Because it's not an easy road, believe me. It's not just what you say. What people usually see is the finished product.
Yes, and I'm glad you said that.
Yeah man, it's usually a finished product is presented. So another part if you know about the preparation.
Yeah, the technical
everything
part.
come out on the platter, it's nice, it look nice and it present nice, but what go on in the kitchen.
Yeah.
That part that's the crucial part.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, here is where my beautiful audience members have some questions. Here we go. We're throwing to a first person.
Alright, my boss.
Blessings.
Mr. Artist, Ablapa, I'm a DJ name.
Big up.
You know, he's a singer, he's a DJ. But come out a girl thing over here. It's like, what more I ask you? The music thing at all, for me, it's just a question. Because I come from a part where I see it say, I be a badness, the man I use a mobile to get bus at Kingston. So, me not into that style. So it's like, no, a good road for me to choose, like then, to get another thing to go through. Now, if you ask who is an experienced recording artist.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that question. You know, I say because we need to balance the scale. I personally think musically, as you say, there's a whole heap of violence in the music. You know, I say, and a whole heap of things on the side there. So we just have to balance the scale, you know, because balance is everything. The producers where I choose, that's a key. You know what I say? The producers where I choose, you know, people like, you know, Donovan Jermaine, them understand for certain things, you know, so it's always good to reach out to people like that. And if you have musicians, you suggest to them the kind of sound where you want. You know what I say? If you want something sounding inspirational, something sounding cultural. You know what I say? So that is very key when you put forward your ideas and them thing there. Yeah, man. So keep it up and keep up the positive side. Every time. Yes, King.
Straight.
So, D Major, my question to you is, which female artist you would do a collab with now?
Alright, I think that is easy. I'd say Chanel Muir.
Wow.
Chanel
Nice
Muir. Really respect the girl's talent. You know, I say Chanel is able to DJ and sing. You know, effortlessly. You know, I say she's really talented. I'm listening to her writing no normal. You know, I say I'm gonna take the craft serious. So hearing she'll be triple threat. She can do all of them. You know what I say? And you know, she have the positive side. She have the, you know, the sexy side and thing about our potential meeting, our ceiling there. So yeah, man, to the skies. So Chanel, you know, big up yourself, Chanel.
That's what's up.
Man.
Right.
Chanel, reach out for your collab.
Some more questions?
So, Mr. Smooth, D Major,
Yes, ma'am.
my question to you, are you single?
Our timing is great. I am at the moment.
Oh my God. And you look so good on the pink on your shoes. Oh my God.
Pink bomb shoe. No, our eye sharp. What kind of woman is that? What about a pink boss?
Yeah, you see?
Lati, come, Lati, come, Lati, come, hush. No, man. You know, say, and pure niceness when it comes to sit at the bar.
Oh my
So
God.
the Major, him, I think he had his fill.
Oh man.
But we're not done with him yet.
I think I want a normal interview. Full of surprise.
Major, make I tell you from now, I am going to my producer for the Ray and Nephew moment. But
Some more things?
Yes, man. When you get asked the question, which female artist you would collab with now?
Yes.
Me see my producer walk come beside me. Ears stand up and I look on you, but you're not piano my man.
Every week I want to do the
Every week want to be artist.
Here one now. When me throw to go the plum. For do the Ray and Nephew moment.
Yes.
Explain yourself.
Alright.
So come
Hold on, who you throwing to? The producer or Goody Plum?
Alright, when you reach the table, you will know.
Alright.
What's so come?
You see, normally the rain every moment it's pretty much easy. But me I get too much benching for a couple weeks now. So there's a second challenge this for you. Rain every moment.
Why am I weak?
So you know this year Jamaica is celebrating their 60th independence, right? Alright. So your challenge here is to count 40 on these dominoes, the black dots, 40, and you're going to get the other 20 for the 60 on the steps. So you're gonna count 20 running up and down. And that is within 60 seconds.
No, man.
So 40
Oh, man. I don't like
and
my boy.
20.
Who don't like my boy?
Okay, so you say that to
What
collab
we
with
do
me, but I give you something nice. And you never say me. So,
Good diploma, long
yeah.
time I vote for you.
so
Judge off.
on your marks.
Hold on. What you say? Count.
No, yet.
So
Yeah.
mean, I forget.
You're random,
And then,
just
and then
random.
20, all the 20 going up on the step?
Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Till they count 20.
No.
No, you look fit and athletic.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to ask over about the artist.
Alright. So let me get up.
No,
me
40.
give you-
How much
give
time
you
you have?
1 minute.
60 seconds.
I can put down
To
this.
give me 60.
I must eat this for the evening. I eat this in the day.
Alright. Are you ready?
After this, alright.
On your mark.
Yes.
Get set. Go.
Alright.
You can do it, man. You got 40. You go to school, man.
Come on, Major, I can do it, man. Faster than that, man. Time is going.
12 seconds.
Gone. 40 already?
20 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4,
7, 8, 9, 10.
How much?
20.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
30
6, 7,
seconds.
8, 9, 10. Yeah. That's it.
I'm 20, but you're extra.
You don't know
Yeah, extra
the
tip.
bonus. You know, say half 30 seconds you're really supposed to get. I'm sorry for your issue now.
No.
Oh,
No, man. Really, Mr.
Word. Oh, you feel that easy
no,
thing, that
listen to
man.
me. Major, me sorry for you and under.
So next
No.
time you go on an
Sorry.
interview.
Alright, seat at the bar.
On the W for
Seat at the bar. All if them have more things to make me done. I eat that.
Producer, you make it stay, sir.
Shasha, no.
Look how much sweat.
My apology.
Yes, so next time you're asked that question.
We have a collab to record,
Alright,
my friend.
okay.
My
Produced
producer
by
now.
somebody of your choice.
We don't know say my producer not normal.
No,
don't
she
it?
bad, she bad, she bad.
Artists on a seat. Remember now. You see if you know when we mention about the collab part, we just say good diploma.
Other night.
No, so other night. So no
Alright.
say.
But big and serious. Big up Good Diploma. Big up the whole Expressions family. I'm proud of you personally. Me personally, proud of you. What you have been doing, on expanding the wings, acting, everything. You know what I say? And I do it with excellence.
Tell them what you tell me when they are New York. Hold on, man. Wait, man. Tell them what you tell me before we are going to say when they are New York and you miss Jamaica. Tell them.
Oh yeah, man. No, man. A bartender keep me sane. I watch bartender, I feel like me there in my yard, I see the heat them in the background and everything. No joke. So, big up bartender. Look, bartender grow from what, 3 minutes? To an hour? I'm still feel like I not get enough.
You're
so,
there.
big bartender. You need call Arvil regular man and say, Arvil, make sure so this week episode editing on it.
People, my viewers and subscribers, don't know it's not a normal thing when you are at a seat at the bar. We just want to say thank you so much to our major and our title sponsor, Jerry and Nephew. I want to say big ups to our producer, Miss Goody Plum, director, Sir Orville Hall, and our videographer,
If you remember me last time, a big stone of fling, I've never got best today.
Cornelius Grant. And big up our mixologist from the Bartender Series 5. And I know we have got up the line. Big up.
My special.
So the mixologist, Bad Girl 5, that's her specialty. Yeah? Big up our artists for the moment, of the moment. Sir D Major.
I'm big up the artist of flying for Alan. Now, when you again artist? Ablapa.
Big up yourself. You know, as an artist. We just want to say thank you so much. And I also want to big up myself. I'm your host with the most, yeah.
Get
so
you
let's make a toast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the green.
Aye.
Major, I know the green.
Aye.
I just want to say also big up Tika's Boutique for my lovely. Remember, step up and spin.
Show them the foreign shoes.
If you don't want a boat ride, fine art. Not a normal thing. Yeah? I just want to say once again, thank you for making it a seat at the bar. And I know, every day is not a normal day when another right here. So big up also the Bartender. We're opening back the October 30th and we're premiering the 16th of October. Big up our audience members.
Make sure.
Once again, you are at a seat at the bar. When you know it's not a lame thing. It's always a fun thing.
Yes.
Big up.
Okay, before we close out, apart from doing the collab with me in the future, let us know what's the latest project you have and tell us your social media handles.
Latest project, I have to rate you. Sure.
Alright.
Latest project for tonight, produced by Penthouse Records. Big up Donovan Jermaine and the crew. It is out on all streaming platforms. Reggae Lovers Rock. You see me I say? And also My Money Remix featuring Ritical, produced by Triton Music. The video and everything is out right now, so let's go check it out. D Major Music on Instagram. You click the link, you get everything D Major. Love, respect every time.